Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. I'm so grateful to have you with me today. We are going to be watching FernGully, The Last Rainforest from 1992. It was requested by Stephanie, who's also known as Sharp Girl. It is my first time watching. I hope you all enjoy. Before I get into the animation for the day, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's watching me, who came over to Patreon after my last video. A lot of you enjoyed my reaction to Wicked and my reaction to The Best Man, and you just flocked over to that to my Patreon account. I want to thank you so much. I got like 20 new people. I am very grateful for your support and just supporting me the way you have chosen to. If it is your first time, please know that I have a Patreon account where you get to watch full-length reactions and have fun with a wonderful community. We also have a Discord page and we have a blast there as well. So if you're on Discord, please join us. The details are in the description part of this channel, so please head over there and take a look. All right, that's enough plugging for the day. I want to thank also, yes, I always start with thanks. I want to thank also those who have joined me on Facebook and Twitch. Over on Instagram, we're almost at 100,000 subscribers. Over on Facebook, we're also almost at 90,000 followers. And listen, the community is growing. I am just very grateful for your support all around. Thank you so much. All right, let's get into it. FernGully, first time watch.
Our world was much larger then, but our closest friends were humans. The very spirit of destruction rose up from the bowels of the earth and rained down his poison. The forest was nearly destroyed. Many lives were lost, and the humans fled in fear. It was only by calling up the magical powers of nature. It is so important for you to learn to use these powers. That is why it is so important for you. Krista!
She's not paying attention.
Maggie, yes. I really have to go now, but I'll see you later, okay? Bye!
Hey! You're spending more time with Matt.
There's a simple harmony. Then I walk among the flowers and trees.
Hi, Rocks.
It's a magic thing. Oh.
Never go above the canopy. Never go above the canopy. Are you crazy going above the canopy?
Yeah, we was almost falcon. Hey, wait! What'd you see? Hi, Krista.
Okay, what's the password?
Oh, come on, you guys.
Hey, is that the password?
No.
Sounds good.
Bye.
That's it. It's a password.
I just saw the most incredible thing above the canopy.
That was Mock's warning.
And next to it was out of the earth.
Smoke.
Smoke, I should say.
Yeah.
There are worlds within worlds, Krista. Forces of destruction help it grow. You have to find it in yourself.
But I was thinking about that smoke.
Hexus is trapped for all time. Now, off with you.
But Maggie...
So what'd the Madge have to say, huh?
That's like you.
Oh! Where you going? Krista!
Magic light, I give the gift of fairy sight.
Oh, what a strange little bug.
She made a bat see. Put that an antenna.
Let's all gather forward now!
Love the haircut.
Hello, I'm a nocturnal placental flying mammal, a member of the family of Pterodidii, or Pterodidni. If you can't tell, I'm a bat! Yes, I am. And they used to call me
That's
Batty.
Robin Williams'
Batty Coda.
voice.
I'm back and I'm flapping free. Let me tell you.
That jacket, toys in the attic. I ramble, my brain is scrambled. Wrapped like vivisectified and fed pesticide. My face is on my Batty.
It seems to have no effect.
To me. So hear my Batty word and
Humans.
Humans?
where?
They only exist in stories.
Check, please.
Oh, yeah.
Could humans still exist?
Now, Krista. Don't you think you're a little old to believe in human tales?
Did you really see humans? Were they at Mount Warning?
Where are you going? Isn't it? Oh, where do you think you're going?
Mount Warning?
You scared me there for a minute. I thought you said you were going to Mount Warning.
It is.
Well, I did.
But they're humans on Mount Warning!
Exactly.
Let's just flutter for a while. My heart! Oh, my heart! I can't go on. Really think we should fly with that. Only, why don't you stay here with me?
It looks like it's gonna get her in trouble. Oh, X. So, okay, the trees that they probably wanna. I thought so. Because that's the sign they usually make when they want to cut down a tree, that X, to identify the parts they want to cut off.
Bonito, good buddy.
How about you, Zach?
Yeah, what's the big deal?
Tell you one thing, that kid don't belong in the woods.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Run. He's still coming after you. He caught her.
Whoa! Bad idea, I said. A human!
A tree!
Oh.
Take anything you want. I won't tell the cops. Huh? What's going on here?
The monster, it tried to eat you. Oh, Batty. Batty?
Human!
Back! Get back! I did not! You did!
Hold on! The one that ate the tree. It was terrible.
Am I dead?
No.
We could fix that for you.
And what are you supposed to be? Some kind of fairy? But I'm out of here. This dream is history.
I've a basic inclination for an egg or centipede. On my ravenous body, it might as well be your exotic stew. You fuck it one time. Kick it one time.
You can't eat him. He's a human.
What's a human?
Delicious and nutritious. Tastes just like chicken.
Oh man, you owe me a free dinner after this one.
You what?
Well, it was the most amazing thing.
I'm not buzzing anywhere. No, unshrink me, and I mean now. I don't believe this. Okay, come on, bash away.
Oh. Big ears. Elephant. No. Oh, wait.
Let me try again.
Yes.
No. Thank you, but I think maybe we better go see this man. I'm Zach.
I'm Krista. Well, come on. A Batty can carry you.
Moi?
That's the problem with the world today. People are lazy.
What is that? Soil level eats everything.
Kind of like you.
What is this? This must be the Hex's thing sipping out of the wood.
I've got so many things I want to ask you. Like...
That was a machine.
I do live in a tree.
Yeah,
Oh.
she does live in a tree.
No. No, of course not.
He's lying.
Oh, no, of course not. You've got nothing to worry about.
Why?
Because, it's trapped.
Oh, I know. By those red marks. It can't go past them. Well, they must be magic.
Yeah. Well, here.
Ow!
Careful.
Your boyfriend is gonna come and find you in here. Oh, there's milk.
What is this delightful? Of course, humans. I must take this wonderful human thing.
New orders, boys.
I don't know if we can do that.
You'll just have to work harder then. And make sure you got plenty of oil.
Yeah. Buku.
I'm really getting the hang of this.
Hit me one time.
That's rather nice.
And noxious muck. Ooh, you love my toxic love.
Toxic love.
I see the world will always lend a hand. And what a beautiful it is. Down like egg chow mein. Toxic love.
I like it. I like the song, but it's bad.
Somebody else's
She's not having to...
She's fine. Now keep looking.
We're looking.
Okay, we're looking.
Yeah,
we're looking.
we're looking.
Look at us, look.
We're looking. What are we looking for?
You're close, at least you're in the vicinity.
Siddy?
Yeah.
But how can you live without trees?
Yeah, if you don't mind getting all your minerals in one breath.
Well, listen.
It's raining like mad. It's raining life. The forest is it's raining life.
So what about you, Krista? I mean, what do fairies do anyway?
Help things grow.
Fly
That sounds
around.
cool.
Okay.
You know, bodacious, bad,
Interesting.
And that's good. I mean, cool.
Yes. Tubular.
C-R-Y-S.
No, you mustn't do that. Yes.
Humans can't feel anything. They're numb from the brain down.
So, which way to FernGully?
Oh!
What is this place?
Hey, Crystal, what's this?
Hey, that's mine, you...
Honey, use your eyes. You can see. You can see.
A miracle! Another
You can
perfect
see for
landing.
hours, for days. Use your...
I fell
There
for
you
it.
go.
I should have known.
We were so worried about you.
Oh my gosh, she brought him home.
He's a bodacious babe.
A what?
Bodacious babe.
Somehow I thought they'd be...
Well,
He
I had a
was.
little
He shrunk
accident
him.
and he sort of shrank.
Then come your highways. Then come your shopping malls. Price check on prune juice, Bob. Price check on prune juice.
Pips, you won't believe what I found. This weird creature is a human.
Well, it's, simple, really. It's,
It's my stereo.
well, it's obviously,
Oh! There you go. It's a recording of music.
Well,
come on, guys, come on. I need somebody to help.
Na 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 na.
To the island, to the white to say. Like I knew it would. With some new
Maggie.
Me and the boys, we'll give you a taste of real FernGully wildlife.
see you around, Zag.
You'll be right here. You can keep this moment or a dream worth keeping. Just reach out and touch me. No matter things are disappearing over inside.
What happened?
Winds of change may come soon. So don't let. Someday you might be thinking. Open, short supply.
Wow. A dream worth keeping.
Well, I guess I better go find Maggie and get you unshrunk.
Come here.
Well, I've got to tell her about you anyway. Wait here. I'll be back as soon as I can find her.
Oh no, it's feeling its pain. It's coming.
Well, come on, I want you to meet him.
I can't heal it. And I can't.
Humans can stop it. They have these magic red marks.
Red marks? It's the ones with the red marks they're cutting off. Now you see. He lied. He lied, huh?
Hey, what's going on, Zach?
What are you talking about? What?
Good idea. Ask the human. He may know.
I wish the human tales were true. They're cutting down trees. They're destroying the forest. Hey, you can't stop them. You'll have to leave.
The humans
Avatar
have released.
You're not half bad for a hominid.
Girl, let's go try fix the problem. Stop crying over this boy. This part reminds me of that part in Avatar. Several parts. Even Zach reminds me of the boy who came to Avatar, the blue people, to, you know, who started out with an agenda and then began to learn about nature.
And the healers of the forest. To call on them again.
Really? Why is her complexion changing? Why is she losing colors? Did she put all her life in the seed?
And every other creature in this world. I love you. And it grows when it is shared. Remember what you've learned, Krista?
Is he going to be able to fly now?
I'm back!
Ralph! Stop!
Uh-oh, what fell? Zach.
We've got nowhere else to go. This is our home.
Oh yeah, get bigger. Someone should make him bigger. He's trying to stop it. He can't stop it. They can't see you.
Wrong channel!
Hey, we're going to war.
Going to war. Oh, we're going to war. Oh my goodness.
That ought to keep those rebel fighters off our tail.
No, Batty, to the cab, to the cab!
Hey, Captain! I can't get enough speed. We got no... Hurt.
Careful. Oh no, you're sliding down into the thing. Who's going to help you?
Keep that moving, boy!
You need a set of your own wings.
Thanks!
Oh, don't drown.
So easily detached.
Alright, fix that. Mm-hmm. Careful, what is that?
All the magic of creation exists within a single tiny seed.
Krista!
Oh, it's growing on his head.
Come on, guys!
Oh, Krista's gone.
Krista, wish you were here with us now.
She went into and was born again. Not born again in the biblical sense, but she came back to life. She sacrificed herself for FernGully and then she was reborn.
But humans still could.
There's a part of you that will always stay.
Pip.
Keep the stereo, dude.
Thanks.
Return you to the form that's true.
Oh,
Oh.
this is nice.
I've shrunk! Zach! What happened here?
Guys, things have got to change.
Yeah.
Hey! Where are you going?
For our children and our children's children. Oh, A Dream Worth Keeping was by Sheena Easton. Really? I'm just going to the songs now. Really? Oh my God. Life is a Johnny Clegg. You know, I was saying that song reminds me, looking for an answer. You know, this one, there was some other, it sounds like Elton John. I know Elton John, but you remember that Johnny Clegg is the guy who sang that song, George of the Jungle. I think I know why the doghouse at the moon. I think I know why the doghouse at the moon. And if you've never heard that song before, please go listen to it. It's beautiful. It was in George of the Jungle. And this, oh, I love it, Johnny Clegg. Oh, and that guy, the one who was the I don't know what animal it was, but it looked like a purple. It was purple and pink. What animal? It looked like not a lizard dragon, a dragon lizard or something. It sounds like that rap artist, Tony Locke. You know that guy? His voice, he has that husky, ruggedy voice. All right, so clearly it's about the environment, protecting nature, protecting ecosystem, just making sure that we're taking out of the environment and replacing it as well. Also, it's also telling us to be mindful about pollution. As much as we think we need oil or we need the advancement of technology, we should make sure that these things are not killing the natural resource that we have, because we have to share this space with animals. We have to share this space with the plants and, trees. We're not just taking and taking and taking and leaving nothing for the environment to survive on. And we shouldn't just think so highly of ourselves that even we don't care about the rabbits and the squirrels, and they deserve their own home too, right? Don't think it's not even only about the elephants and the big animals because you can see them at the zoo. How we take care of the water, how we take care of the ocean, how we take care of the fishes, how we take care of the birds in the sky, everything, it all matters, right? We should be actively involved in making sure that the environment is safe for us and safe for them. And it's a beautiful story. I love how it ended with, it's for our children, our children's children, because that truly is the whole essence of doing what we do, of taking care, like leave the world a better place for the people who are coming behind us, right? I loved it. It's simple. It's one of those old animations that just, give you that warm and cozy feeling inside. Sometimes I just was, I was just so eager, and, it eager for the romance, when you see something, you're just waiting. That's what modern animation does. But in those days, I loved how they drew out the romance. It wasn't something that was aggressive and into your space and like, oh, they have to live together after. Everybody knew their path in life. Zach had to go his way, Krista had to go her way, but they still had the same agenda and love for each other. And it wasn't all about them. Most animations, it's all about the character. It's all about their romance. But this was a bigger picture. It was all about everyone that was involved. Reminded me so much of Avatar. There were so many scenes that I was like, oh, that's Avatar. The struggle with the machine trying to come in, it happened in Avatar. The guy taking on the blessing of Krista, connecting with her. It was the tree in the center where everyone went to have. It was an Avatar as well. So there were so many things that just, the little lights and glowy lights, that was an Avatar as well, right? Okay. Thank you for watching this with me. Thank you, Stephanie, for sharing it as well. I love seeing that part of your childhood and your early years experience, because at least I can say, oh, this is what she watched growing up. And, it gives me a warm feeling. I started I would say the animations that really intrigued me growing up was The Lion King. So I'm happy to share this with you. Don't forget to subscribe. On to the next.